Hi Shoebox friends! It's time for the March Filler Challenge, and this one is going to be quite colorful. But first, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has jumped in and joined the January Coloring Book Challenge, as well as last month's Stuffed Cup Challenge. It truly feels like we're an OCC army assembling each month to meet the challenge and bless shoeboxes in a big way. I've enjoyed all your pictures, and if you haven't joined in yet, it's not too late. Each month I'm putting together a simple and fun challenge to create extra filler gifts that can help shoeboxes at the processing center, especially those that have had items removed or feel a little bit empty. Let's take a look at what this month's challenge is all about. In case you missed my short a couple of weeks ago, I wanted to share an important update from last month's challenge. I've learned that Samaritan's Purse does not want personal notes and pictures included in the filler gifts. So while it's still so important to add those personal touches to your own shoeboxes, I'll be using these Jesus Loves You stickers instead for the filler gifts. They're a great way to add an encouraging message, and they're perfect for this colorful project. So what is the challenge? This month we're making color-themed filler gifts. I love packing color-themed shoeboxes, so I thought why not turn this into a fun filler project? Not only does it make the gifts extra special, but it also adds a thoughtful, personalized touch. Today I'll be sharing 3 different color-themed filler ideas that I put together, but the great thing about this challenge is that it's completely open-ended. You can get creative and use what you already have on hand. The first color-themed filler gift is a school supply pack. As you saw, I'm using different colors of notebooks as the base and adding in some essential school supplies. To make it fun, I'm also including some colorful toy cars that I found at Dollar Tree, and they match the notebooks perfectly. I'm also including tracing strips, pencils, pens, fun animal stickers, erasers, a lenticular lizard valentine, and these Bible-based bookmarks from Hobby Lobby. To round out the sets, I also added sharpeners, a couple of fidget spinners in matching colors, and of course the correct color marker for each set. Most of these sets will have 2 markers, as I added in the extra markers like brown and gray and black. For even more creative fun, I also included wood craft sets that come with their own markers, giving kids extra coloring options and a hands-on activity to enjoy. It's a bright, engaging filler gift that meets both the practical needs of school supplies that are so often missing in shoeboxes, and also adds a touch of fun. To bag these up, I'm using the same twist tie gallon bags from Walmart that I used for the coloring book challenge, and sealing them with Scotch mailing tape. I also used smaller 2x9-inch bags to neatly group the pencils and other smaller items, helping to keep everything a little bit more organized within the bag itself. This makes the filler gifts easier to handle and keeps them looking nice and tidy. And I just need to add the Jesus Loves You sticker to complete each color-themed school supply pack. I love how these all came together, and I hope the children who receive them will enjoy not only the practical school supplies, but also the bright, fun theme that makes them extra special. It's such a simple way to add a little joy and encouragement to their shoebox gifts. And now let's move on to the next color-themed idea. My second filler idea is a color-themed essentials pack. This one is a smaller sized gift, but still includes some important items for the shoeboxes. I'm using a 3x9-inch bag for each pack, and inside you'll find a cutlery set with a fork, spoon, and knife, which I've recently bought at Hobby Lobby, a matching toothbrush, a comb, emery boards, a cross necklace, and a fun little extra toy. These glow-in-the-dark creatures you can find in the Walmart party favor aisle as a 12-piece set. I've used, again, what I already had on hand, but feel free to add your own touches like washcloths or chapstick or whatever else you think would be a great addition. The beauty of this challenge is that it's super flexible and allows you to get creative with what you have available. Here are my completed color-themed essentials packs. I added a coordinating sticker to the back, and I think this will be a great sized filler item for any of the shoeboxes that could use some of these helpful everyday items. They're simple yet practical, and hopefully will make a difference. So here are my completed color-themed filler packs so far, and I have one more idea to share with you today as part of this challenge. These last sets are my Wow filler packs. Each pack is larger in size and comes complete with a stuffed animal for a wow gift. Sadly, some shoeboxes arrive with very few items, so these larger filler gifts are a big blessing for the team working on the processing line. Inside each wow pack, I'm also adding some matching smaller toys or fun items to delight a child and spread even more joy. Let's take a closer look at how these packs turn a sparse shoebox into a bundle of excitement. The blue wow pack includes this fun snowflake pen to go with the adorable blue hippo plush, plus a silly headband I snagged at 90% off at Hobby Lobby after New Year's. After all the deals, I ended up spending about $1.30 on this wow pack. The pink wow pack features the cutest hugging monkey plush from the Dollar Tree. She was part of the Valentine plush collection this year, and her hands have Velcro to hug onto things. I also added a pink headband with a silver bow from Lion Wholesale. They were $5 on the tag, but I got them for 50 cents each. To finish it off, I added these pink and silver pom-poms from the Dollar Tree, which I thought matched perfectly and added a fun pop of flair. I also made a bright and cheerful yellow wow pack featuring this adorable chick stuffed animal from the Dollar Tree's Easter plush collection. I included 3 rubber duckies also from the Dollar Tree and this sweet duck on a motorcycle toy from Lion Wholesale, which is perfect for smaller children. I also had one remaining golden yellow shirt in my stockpile. I sent these last year for my packing party. It's a size extra small, so this wow pack will be specifically for a 2 to 4-year-old boy. And I'll label it so the processors know what age group to put this in. Oftentimes, the 2 to 4-year-old age group doesn't have a lot of appropriate filler items, so I'm hoping this will be a blessing to a child. My last wow pack is a bold red color, and the standout piece is this adorable sequin Valentine alien plush. He was only 30 cents at Walmart this past week. I'm also including a fun Uno Go card set from the Dollar Tree and a red moon ball. These are some of my favorite types of balls to add to the shoe boxes. I also found these heart sequin pillows at Hobby Lobby for 90% off, and they match the plushie perfectly, so I'm adding one in. Here are my completed color-themed wow filler packs. I think they turned out pretty cute and fun. The monkey pack fit perfectly into a quart-sized Ziploc bag, while the others went into gallon-sized bags to accommodate the larger items. These packs hopefully will bring a lot of joy and excitement to the children who receive them. And while I was having fun packing color-themed filler, I thought, why not take this March challenge a step further? So as a bonus, I decided to pack a color-themed shoebox, in Irish green, of course. And this special green-themed box is for a 5 to 9-year-old girl. I can't wait to show you what's inside. I designed this frog-themed lid in Canva and added Jesus loves you in French. Since many of my shoeboxes over the past several years are sent to French-speaking countries, I've decided to include some French in my boxes this year. It's just a small personal touch that I felt led to do, and of course, it's totally optional. To go along with the frog-themed lid design, I included an extra Valentine I had on hand that says, "You're totally awesome." I love these because the child can color it in herself. For school, I included a green notebook, of course, along with a Christmas-themed Nutcracker coloring book that had some green on the cover. I picked this up on sale after Christmas. Right on top, I placed a neon green necklace so the child can put it on as soon as she opens her box. I also added one of these balance birds, which are really cool and fun. They balance right on your finger, and I got a 5-pack on Amazon for about $10. I also included a green and white bouncy ball from Walmart to add another little fun surprise. The birds also come with these little pyramid stands to balance on, so I included one of those as well. And I printed out the picture from Amazon to show the child how to use these. Next, I included a pair of bright neon green knee socks that I recently found at Party City. They had a lot of fun color-themed items there at great discounts, so if your store is still open, it might be worth checking out. To keep with the theme, I added a little green frog from a 3-pack at Dollar Tree, a fun green Christmas pen that has a snow globe on top, which was another great after-Christmas steal, and a green toothbrush along with some emery boards. I also included a little turtle-shaped building block set from Target's Dollar Spot. I don't usually get to Target, but I found these last time I went, and I believe they've since been marked half off if you find them. For some fun girly touches, I added 2 plastic hair ties, a neon green cross bracelet that matches her socks, another green bracelet with a cactus jewel, and a green cross necklace that I like to get off of Oriental Trading. One of the larger wow gifts in this box is this high quality wooden kendama toy. I got this off of Lion Wholesale, and right now it's only $4. By the way, if you haven't checked out Lion Wholesale, this is a great time to do it. They're running a lot of March discounts, including size 5 soccer balls with pumps for only $5.49. Another wonderful Christian-owned company to check out is Wow Supplies. I ordered this sweet doll from their website last year, and she comes dressed in this perfect green dress that says Jesus loves you. I also thought her socks matched the green socks I included in the box. If you haven't already, definitely check out Wow Supplies. They have a new doll this year that is just as cute, and I'm hoping to order some of their newer items soon. As a smaller toy to fill in the little spaces, I added this Animal Jam Adopt a Pet toy. It comes with 1 surprise pet and 2 accessories, and I decided to leave the surprise for the child to open. This was actually a gift from a friend who wanted to bless my shoebox efforts. I also included a bead kit in the shoebox that I put together using some red and green Christmas beads that I got on sale at Hobby Lobby. I packed them into a little organza bag and added elastic string on top so the child can make her own jewelry. To go with her coloring book, I added a 12-pack of crayons and a bright green smiley face popper toy, another fun find from Party City. There's also a green Jingle Bell bracelet from the Dollar Tree. Her last wow gift is this bright green and blue size 3 soccer ball from Lion Wholesale. I wrapped the pump inside along with a surprise jump rope with green handles and an extra red dress for her doll, so she'll have a change of clothes for her new friend. I also added a big green comb, a nice pair of Westcott scissors, a green fidget spinner from Five Below for just $1, and a very full green school supply pouch. Inside, I included this Funny Frogs coloring book from Sending Shoeboxes, some extra green cardstock in various shades of green, a green slap bracelet with butterflies, and a mix of colored pencils, regular pencils, and pens to round out her school supplies. I also added a keychain featuring the cute green chameleon from the movie Tangled, a green light-up spiky soccer ball from Lion Wholesale, and last but not least, a personal note and family picture for the child. I always love including a note because it adds that extra personal touch and lets the child know they are loved. Now I just need to fit everything back in just right. And there you have it, my emerald shoebox for the month of March. I recently ordered these number 107 rubber bands, and they've been working perfectly to hold my slightly overstuffed shoeboxes shut. Thanks so much for joining me today on this colorful, color-themed March filler challenge. I'd love to see your take on the project, so feel free to share your color-themed fillers or even shoeboxes with me via email or in the Facebook groups. There have been some wonderful filler ideas shared lately by fellow YouTubers, so I'll include some links in the description below to get other great ideas you might find inspiring. I hope this challenge sparks some creativity as we continue blessing shoeboxes together. Until next time, happy packing! Bye!